We do have some breaking news right now, some headlines crossing that Carl Icahn is exiting his stake in Netflix. And, of course, Netflix announcing a stock split yesterday, 7-for-1 stock split. If you take a look at how Netflix shares are reacting in the intraday trade, you can see that big leg down following the announcement of that headline. Still up on the day, up by 1.6% following that stock split, but definitely a tick lower following the headline that Carl Icahn is exiting his stake in the company.
And Scarlet, if you recall, if I remember, Icahn wanted to actually get out of Netflix earlier. His son, Brett, convinced him to stay in Netflix. I believe this was the investment where Brett had convinced him to stay in. And so Icahn said, okay, you were right. This was a good bet. Netflix today, by the way, trading at a record as it does announce that 7-for-1 split. So it seems as though the son was right, but maybe Carl is saying, okay, we're at a record. Maybe we've booked a good profit on this one.
I've listened to you for long enough. Now I'm going to do what I wanted to do all along. Actually, he has another comment as well, Julie, where he says Apple is currently representing the same opportunity as Netflix years ago.
Which is fascinating to say, given the relative size of those and maturity of those two companies.
And the amount of money that each makes. I mean, Apple is a cash generator, while Netflix is, got $10 billion in production expenses over the next couple of years. So this is certainly something we'll keep an eye on. But yeah, for now, Netflix shares, as you mentioned, trading at a record high, although pairing its advance following this headline that Carl Icahn will finally exit his stake.